Divine Nostr. So to create an account in Divine app, you need Nostr account. Nostr is kind of decentralized social media protocol, similar as you have Blue Sky, all of these things. You know, it's like new decentralized technology. So to create an account on divine.video, you need to go to nostr.com and tap Join Nostr. Tap this gray button, and you for free you will create new account, your secret key, and then go back to divine.video and tap to sign in and enter your key. And that's how you create your Nostr account and then instantly use it with Divine. If you don't have Nostr account, you will need to wait when Divine basically will open up to everyone, and when they release the app, it's not yet known when the app will become live in the App Store. Right now you can only use it on the web, only with a Nostr account.